Khloe Kardashian has just exposed her sister Kim Kardashian by accidentally confirming a conspiracy theory that went viral about her photoshopping pictures at Disneyland. If you recall, back in January, Kim posted 2 photos of the Kardashian kids, Chicago and True at Disney, with Kim writing in the caption, "Lots of love." However, as you can see from some of those comments down below, people were calling her out for photoshopping the pictures. One user writes, "Why does True look photoshopped in though?" With another adding, "Why is True looking like a sticker?" Which I thought was a funny comment because that's literally what she looks like in these photos. I mean, it's giving big copy-paste energy. If anyone out there has ever photoshopped one image onto another before, then you'll know that at first you get this harsh cut line of where you took the image from. Usually people will take the blur tool in Photoshop and just run that along the line, and then it will just blend better into the photo. But on Kim's pic, you can see which part of the image was cut. Now, a Kardashian fan account called @kai.storm.lovely decided to do a little bit of investigative work into where this photoshopped image came from. And in the photo, you'll see that they discovered the original image of True next to the photoshopped one. In the side-by-side comparison that the fan page posted, you can see that Kim cut True's face out of an old photo that Khloe posted and then just placed it on top of a new one with Chicago. Even the hairstyle works for the second photo that she posted. In this image, you can see that Kim just photoshopped some Mickey Mouse ears on her head and then just tilted the image. What's even weirder is that it's only True's face that's being photoshopped onto the image. People actually think that Kim photoshopped True's face onto Stormi's body. Now, in the past, Kim has admitted to photoshopping her own children in photos. Specifically, the Kardashian West Christmas card back in 2019. She would later admit during an interview with Ellen, "It's the most anxiety to get 4 kids together smiling in a room." She then told the story about how North didn't want to be in the family photos, so the following day she had to ask the photographer to take separate pictures of North and then get them to Photoshop her into the Christmas card. Many of her fans found this to be very odd as well, but Kim said that she doesn't regret doing it. She later said during the interview that she even prefers to do it this way instead of forcing an upset child to continue with the photo shoot that they just don't want to do. But that makes sense for her own kids, at least to her it makes sense, but why Photoshop True over Stormi in a photo? It's just a really weird thing to do. Now, Khloe Kardashian has let it slip that the photo was indeed doctored to make it look like True was with them. On Tuesday, April 12th, True turned 4 years old and celebrated in true Kardashian style with a trip to Disneyland. Khloe even took to her Instagram stories to share a video of her and her daughter and said, "What a wonderful birthday at Disneyland." And she also apparently claimed that this was True's first time at Disney. And in response to the internet calling her out for this mistake, Khloe simply said, "Well, I effed this one up. Anyways, let's focus on something else. Our show airs in a few days." I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this though, because that's all the time that we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one.